Did you know that sometimes you have to ignore the rule of thirds? With mirror reflections particularly, if you put the horizon line in the middle, you'll have a much more interesting shot. Let me show you an example here. So typically we're told that the horizon line, where the sky meets the ground, should be in and around the top third or bottom third of the shot, depending on how it is that we want to compose it. But I would suggest that when you've got mirror reflections like this, you want to have that mirror, that split effect, right down the middle between the top and the bottom. Now, it's all down to choice and it's all down to your own kind of visual interpretation of it, but I would suggest it's well worth giving it a try. So here you can see that on the phone, I have a rule of thirds grid. In this case, I don't have a center line, but over on my camera here, I do also have a center line with my horizontal and vertical center line with my rule of thirds grid. Now you may be able to call up variations of them as well. Also as well, with electronic viewfinders, you're going to see that same grid in the viewfinder. With glass ones, sometimes it's worth checking. Your camera may allow you set those as well. The thing to do here is to experiment. I'm showing you how to do something. The rule of thirds is not a rule itself. It never was, it's just a guideline. So if we look here at the shot, we've got that horizon line in the middle, which would basically put it between our top and bottom third rule of thirds grid, if we have that. If we've got focus points on an older camera viewfinder showing the glass, well then they're always in the middle. So it's really helpful to be able to line up the horizon and keep the camera straight as well. So sometimes you have to ignore the rule of thirds. With mirror reflections, if you put the horizon line in the middle, it'll always make for a better shot in my opinion. I hope this gets you off to a good start.